can say, are you excited? Okay, guys, we're at Jefes Barbershop. We're gonna go get a haircut. Father and son haircuts. Sound like a plan? Yes. All right, guys. Let's see how they look. This is how we look now. Hopefully, come out at least a little better. I'm sure my son will be looking sharp. All right, Miko, let's go in. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's do this.
Yeah. And then the top of your little? Yeah. And we'll take about like that much? Yeah. Perfect. You ready for your haircut? Yeah. Awesome.
Got a fresh haircut from Jefes Barbershop. Overall, had a great experience. Nice atmosphere inside. I had Lydia. She's the one that did the haircut. She did a great job. Yeah, definitely come support this place. We're out here in Rolling Meadows. You guys have any recommendations, you know, on the beard? Should I let it grow out? Keep it short? Let me know. Comment below. And that's it, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.